Hi friends, welcome to AI Campus. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important NLP topic, text summarizer. Okay, so let's understand what is text summarizer. Okay, here you can see in block diagram, we give a long text, very big text, 2 page, 3 page, 10 page maybe. Then this model summarize this long text to small text, 200 words, 300 words, how many words you want to take it, you can set while programming your model. That give the output according to your max token output. Okay. So there are actually two types of text summarizer. The first one is extractive summarization. So let's understand what is extractive summarization. You can read this. This method works by selecting important sentence or phrases directly from the original text and concatenating them to create a summary. I think you have understand this. It identifies key segments of the text based on frequency of terms, sentence importance, and pulls them out without altering. This is important, without altering the language. In simple way, our model picks the important sentence from the long text, which captures the ideas of long text. Pick the same exact sentence which presents in long text in the same manner, exact way. Okay. For selecting, it considers frequency, how many times the sentence comes, and it understands the importance of sentence. On that basis, the model selects the important sentences and give these important sentences in summary text. Okay. Let's see second method, abstractive. This method generates a summary by understanding the core idea of the text and rephrasing it. This is main word. Rephrasing it, potentially using new words. This is difference between extractive and abstractive. Not, see, read once more. This method generates a summary by understanding the core idea of the text and rephrasing it, potentially using new words and sentences not found in the original. Okay. The difference is, in abstractive summarization, the model understands the essence of the text, captures the idea of the text and summarize it in its own words. It its own sentences that is not present in actual text. This is the difference between two methods. Okay. Let's see one example so that you can see the difference between the two. Let's see. See, this is a sample article. We have this sample article which we want to summarize. Okay, this is long text. We want to summarize this in extractive manner. It's picking the important sentences present in the text. You can see this sentence is present here, this sentence also present in here, this sentence also present in this text. You can see here healthcare, and this is also present. You can see from here. So you can see model is picking the exact same sentences from the long text in this type of summarization, which is extractive. Okay. On the other hand, in abstractive summarization, you can see this output is this. Okay. AI is revolutionizing various industries, particularly healthcare and finance, by improving diagnosis, fraud detection, and personalized services. However, ethical concerns such as privacy, bias, and job loss persist, and addressing them will require strong regulation. You read this summary. Every sentence is new, generated by the AI model. These sentences are not present in the long text as it is. Actually, at this point, our model is working as a human. It reads the whole text and find the essence of the text and presented in its own word. Okay, this is called abstractive summarization. So, in today's tutorial, we will see this type of summarization, abstractive. Okay, for this we will use a model called BART, BART, BART model. Okay, so let's see in the coding. You have to transformers, PyTorch, and Streamlit. Okay, I think you know how to install these libraries. Go to terminal here, just write pip install transformers, press enter, it will be installed. Just like this, install other libraries also. Okay, import Streamlit and import from transformers, import. We are using here BART model. Okay, so you have to import tokenizer for BART and model. Okay, so first import BART for conditional generation. This is one, and second one is BART tokenizer. Okay, now load pretend model. Pretend BART model. Model name, which model we are going to use? Model name here we are using, just to go to Hugging Face page. Right here BART. So here is one model BART large CNN. Okay, we are going to this model, copy this and paste here. Okay, now load tokenizer. BART tokenizer dot from pre-trained, right here your model name. Okay, then model, what is model? BART for conditional generation dot from pre-trained model name. Okay, we have loaded tokenizer and model. Okay, so here we also create a UI page like this, so that user can enter the text and generate summary. Okay, for this we are using Streamlit. Okay, let's code this part. User interface. Okay, first give some title, st dot title, give subtitle for your UI page, you can write BART text summarizer. Okay, now take input, create a input box where user can enter the text to summarize. Okay, so create here st dot text. Here we will use text area. Right here enter text to summarize and take this text in text variable. Okay, now create a button and check if button is pressed. If st dot button pressed, give some name to button, generate. Okay, now check if text is entered. Okay, okay, now write with st dot spinner, right here some text generating. So you have your text to summarize. Okay, now you have to encode this text. Okay, so for encoding you have to write tokenizer dot encode. You have to pass. Okay, here is one point to note. You have to pre-process your text first. You have to add word summarize before your text. Okay, so that the model can understand that this text is for to summarize. Okay, so right here summarize plus text. Okay, we have just add summarize word before the our text. Okay, nothing else. Okay, and second parameter is max length. So this is an important parameter. Okay, you have to check all the models. This is different for all the models. If you are using BART, this large model, then it will be different. Then if you are using another model, this will be different. Actual, this is the maximum length of input which can be passed through encoder. Okay, so BART large model, this can process input length of 10 to 4. Please check this value when you are using other models. Okay, and write accordingly here. Okay, and another parameter is returned tensors as PyTorch. Third one is truncation. Truncation, put here true. If your input length will be greater than 1024, then this will truncate your input length. Okay, and take this in variable inputs. Okay, so you have encoded and after that you can here add some comment, pre-process and encode the input text. Okay, now create a summary. Okay, summary, create a summary ID. Okay, for this encoded inputs, create here model dot generate first parameter inputs, pass here inputs, and second one is max length. We are taking max length to 200. Let's min length will be 50. Okay, and one parameter is length penalty. Length to another parameter number num beams equal to 4, early stopping. So here is max length max length of your output, your generated summary length, maximum length will be 200, okay, and minimum length will be 50. This is length penalty. This is for how long your summary will be generated. Num beams, there will be generated 4 summary, out of which it will take the highest probability summary, okay. This will generate 4 summary, okay. Early stopping, if highest probability summary is generated, then this will be stopped, okay. Now you have generated a summary. Take this in a parameter variable summary IDs, okay. Now you have to decode the decode and generate summary, okay. So here summary equal to mode tokenizer dot decode summary ID, take one dimension and one parameter is keep special tokens true. This will remove unnecessary characters in your output, okay. Skip special tokens, okay. Now take this summary. Now here give a subheading st dot subheader generated summary now st dot write here summary, okay. Now a code is complete. Just here give a else loop, give the user a warning if text is not entered, okay. Else st dot please enter the text to summarize. Now I think code is ready. Let's run it. stream, let run, abstractive, BART .py. It will take some time. Okay, now enter some text to check whether it is working or not. Copy text from here, copy, paste, generate. Now it's generating. You can see the message. Okay, so it's working properly. You can check it out. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.